An important part of the unified security platform is the identity framework that enables the configuration of users and devices with common identity across the products in the WatchGuard portfolio. Here I start by configuring an authentication domain, where I can set up users and the groups that they belong to for use in security policies. Domains can be set up with either Radius or Active Directory servers, and new in 2022, we've added the ability to sync up directly with an Active Directory server. User and group information will sync from a local agent with the cloud at an interval that you specify. The defined authentication domain is now available for use in both the next generation firewall and also wireless access